Hello Doge family. How are you today? Make a lot of profits, make sure you go down and slap a like on it. Let's go for 500 likes that now. Together we will grow Dogecoin. We did get a double bottom right here, which is awesome to see, but then we were just bouncing up we did break a strong level of resistance that we had trouble with previously. On the 20th of June we came up to this level and got rejected, which is approximately 22.50, and we smashed that, we broke that, and we came above nearly 2,300, so it's good to see that. So Ethereum is still looking very bullish. So yesterday Dogecoin did see some green movement and we came up almost to 28 cents. And since that number we came down. But look at this, it's looking like a reversal pattern playing out. We are seeing a bit of an inverse head and shoulders now. There is a very high chance every time. We have seen this on this channel. The inverse head and shoulders playing out pretty much 90 of the time we do get a big breakout, which I think this breakout could potentially take us to 28 cents, but we have been having difficulty with this level 27.5, 28 cents over and over again. But I think if we can break out from this pattern, as we are seeing Ethereum starting to pump, we are seeing Bitcoin is starting to move up, we are seeing all of these other coins starting to move up. If Dogecoin can continue with those momentums, I think we can easily surpass that 28 cent level of resistance. Look at this 28 cents, we have just been having strong difficulty trying to surpass, but I think the next time we come to knock on that door that we are gonna surpass it, because we are just seeing this clear uptrend ever since this bottom right here. We had a double bottom with the inverse head and shoulders, it played out, came up to this top, we came down, we consolidated for a little bit, having a bit of a bullish flag. If we zoom out we are able to see that, but we are actually moving up. Yes, we have seen a little bit of a drop. All these people are like, oh my gosh, Dogecoin crashing. Guys, I am not financial advisor. This video for educational. Dogecoin is going down again. Things can't just go straight up. Dogecoin is down from this top yesterday 13 and now is back up, so from yesterday's top we are down about 8. But let's take a look at the bottom. If you take a look at the bottom where Dogecoin bounced off of to where we are at now, we are up 54 in the last, let me see how many days that was, approximately 8 days. In the last 8 days we are up 57. If you would have bought that bottom that I did announce in the Patreon, but if you would have sold at the top you would have made approximately 74, so we are actually significantly up from the bottom. We were just at 16 cents. So this reversal pattern is seeming to be playing out right now, which will take us most likely above 28 cents. That's my personal opinion, that's what I personally think is going to happen, but this is just my opinion, anything can happen. Some type of news can come out and crash the markets, yeah, that's all possible, but I think the paper hands are out of the market, and this is looking like a very strong, on a technical level, a very strong reversal pattern about to play out. So as far as my price prediction is concerned for Dogecoin in the month of July, if things do continue to go bullish, to move up as they expected without any type of crazy good news for Dogecoin and cryptocurrencies, I am expecting Dogecoin honestly to be in the 40 to 50 cent range for July. That is my bullish optimistic price prediction for Dogecoin in the month of July. If some really good news comes out, like 10 Elon Musk is coming out and tweeting again, they announced Dogecoin is going to be accepted its payment for Tesla vehicles, that type of news can send Dogecoin back to all-time highs. And further, we have seen Dogecoin do some crazy things. We have seen Dogecoin go from 5 cents basically all the way to 73 cents in a very short period of time. So big pumps like that I believe will happen again many more times for the history of Dogecoin, but realistically a more bearish type of prediction for Dogecoin. Honestly, I think we could, by the end of the month of July, if things slowly continue to climb up, I think we could be in the high 30s to the low to mid 40s. That's kind of like my bearish price prediction, but my honest opinion, I'm thinking that we are going to be in the 40s and 50s, and then with something good, crazy news comes out, we could be at 60s, 70s, 80 cents dollar. Those are all possibilities in the end of the year if cryptos do pop off like they are supposed to, like they are projected, and Bitcoin is a couple 100,000, Ethereum's 20k, 18k. I think Dogecoin could easily be $2, $2.50. We could even see numbers as high as $3 and above. Realistically, I think we can easily hit $1.50 to $2 by the end of the year. If you got something out of this video, go ahead and give this video, share this video with some of your friends and family. Check out. Now let's take a look at another analysis. Dogecoin Daily Tech Analysis, July 1st, 2021. It's been a bearish start to the day. Dogecoin would need to move back through the day's pivot level to avoid another day in the red. Fell by 3.61% on Wednesday. Reversing a 2.45% gain from Tuesday, Dogecoin ended the day at $0.2539. A mixed start to the day saw Dogecoin rise to an early morning intraday high $0.2638 before hitting reverse, falling short of the first major resistance level at $0.2753. Dogecoin slid to a late afternoon intraday low $0.2377. Dogecoin fell through the first major support level at $0.2520 and the second major support level at $0.2406. Finding late support, however, Dogecoin broke back through the support levels to end the day at $0.2539. At the time of writing, Dogecoin was down by 1.04% to $0.2512. A mixed start to the day saw Dogecoin rise to an early morning high $0.2540 before falling to a low $0.2506. Dogecoin left the major support and resistance levels untested early on. For the day ahead, Dogecoin would need to move back through the $0.2518 pivot to bring the first major resistance level at $0.2659 into play. Support from the broader market would be needed, however, for Dogecoin to break back through to $0.2650 levels. Barring an extended crypto rally, the first major resistance level and Wednesday's high $0.2638 would likely cap any upside. In the event of another breakout, Dogecoin could test resistance at 28 cents levels before any pullback. The second major resistance level sits at $0.2779. Failure to move back through the $0.2518 pivot would bring the first major support level at $0.2398 into play. Barring an extended sell-off, however, Dogecoin should steer clear of the second major support level at $0.2257. Looking at the technical indicators, first major support level, $0.2398 pivot level, $0.2518 first major resistance level, $0.2659 23.6% fib retracement level, $0.3016 38.2% fib, $0.3859 62% fib, $0.5221. We've come to the end of the video, guys. I hope you understand what I want to say. Express your thoughts by commenting. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.